My name is CJ Abraham. I'm the owner of Precision Product Development, LLC. We started in 2017 as a small prototype machine shop, and we've grown into a production contract manufacturer. My target customers currently are primarily interconnect customers, but I'm also going into aerospace and satellite companies. When I started, I just had one VF-2SS, and I quickly ran into jobs where I had to make thousands of parts. Major pain points for the process would be that if I'm trying to get stuff done, I can't be the one at the machine running it all the time, especially if I'm just one guy. And I don't want to have to hire a part-time worker for 10 hours a week just to load parts. So I started focusing on automation. I knew Trinity was doing pallet loading systems, but I didn't know that they had a part loading product. And I was really excited when I first heard about it, and I really wanted to try it out. I was comparing other solutions for automation. I had looked at spindle gripper solutions, some other robots, and also I looked at having an employee do it. But ultimately, it seemed like the AI one would be the ideal solution. Foremost was the compatibility. I know that the Trinity systems work well with Haas. I also like that I didn't have to buy an entirely new system in order to automate. I already had the VF2. I know that Trinity is going to solve any problems that I have coming up, as well as improve the product in the future. I did have some initial concerns about how to program the robot, what it was going to take to train somebody up, but what I found out was that none of that is necessary. The integration with Intrinsic flow state means that I don't have to do any programming. And I do like that it's closely integrated with the machine, all the functions work, and it wasn't a hard install process at all. Setting up the robot when I come in the morning, very easy. All I need to do is turn on the machine, tell the robot which program I want to run, and I'm done. I just put material on the grid and leave. The AI one solves the issue of me being glued to the machine. I'm able to walk away from the machine now and let the machine run for a couple of hours while I go do the other things. And even if it's not running overnight, the fact that it runs without me being in front of it is a big deal. And so it's easier for me to have a robot than it is a part-time employee, even if it's not a 24/7 thing. I know this is gonna sound funny, but it's good for anybody loading parts. You don't need ridiculous volume. If you load parts into a machine, pallet loading or parts loading solutions, you need one. Automation isn't game-changing anymore, it's the standard. If you want to be competitive, you're gonna have to implement some form of automation. My focus is to automate whenever possible. And the Trinity AI one allowed me to walk away.